I think so because that's the only way you can bowl. This IPL or this 50 over games. Because you if you're bowling within the stumps, you're not giving room to the player to hit the ball. So that's accuracy you require at that level. But at the same time, I could have a lot of other variations, which I used to have one or two things, but I could have another one or two more. That sort of thing. Because IPL, you need all these things. Variation, slower ball, Yorker, offside off stumps, all these things, you require. So I could have developed that also. I think that's the best way to bowl, to get wickets. But IPL, is a format. They're going to hit you, and you get the wickets. You do like Test cricket. You really have to struggle to get the wickets. One day cricket, you have to struggle because you really have to bowl the ball, which is really genuine ball. The batsman get out. Here, everything they hit, sometimes even the bad ball gets wickets, or someone get caught in the boundary, and all these things are happening. That's why the quality of bowling is down. Yes, I believe in the fair competition. I'm not talking about the batsman have a 70% and the bowler has a 30%. I don't mind having 60% for the batsman and 40% for the bowler. Because reason is that nobody want to see the wicket falling, and nobody want to go home, halfway through. But the only thing is, but competition has to be there. That's the reason. When we were playing, there's a standard of bowling that was there. There is 100 bowler I can count. Every team has it. But nowadays you hardly find any bowler. Like you see how many runs are scored. And sometimes I do get surprised, people are scoring 420, 320. When we were playing, there were 260 is a winning score. But that's been a change, So I think that there's a lot of, things are loaded for the batsman. The bat has improved a lot, they specialize in that. Everything has improved a lot. The game is growing. So it's very good, but still I believe they should have it for the bowler also. 2020 cricket, I teach them how to swing the ball, like move the ball. That is a very important part of bowling, That is art. Because if you're moving the ball or cutting the ball or leg cutter or off cutter or swing or in swing, whatever it is, that's the art of bowling. That's what we're teaching them, Because moving ball, any batsman can get out. Like if the ball is going straight, you might get a lot of hit. But that's what we teach. We teach the basic of the game. Then what happened in a sports. The more you play, the better you become. The matured, you become matured. You know what to do. When I'm going to bowl the straighter one, when I'm going to bowl the outswing, in swing. These are the things which matter now. Game is not played. You need the skill, but it played mentally. Mentally, you have to be very much, very good in that. That's what I learned, in cricket. I followed Delhi Daredevil, but Delhi Daredevil has, I think, they not made the team right. No. The name of the game is to have the team in balance. That's very important. And I don't know what all these coaches are doing there. What is, I hope, they qualify for the last four. But at the moment, it doesn't seem to be. But I don't know. 2020, you cannot never say that what will happen because not so many teams are crawling together. There's not much of a difference in the points. But Delhi Daredevil is disappointed, very very disappointed, for the last 3-4 years. But not like you have to make it. It's an art of making teams, See, Delhi has left De Villiers. Delhi had Virender Sehwag. Delhi had Umesh Yadav. Delhi, another few big players they have left. Why? You get a hold of them. If I were the coach, I got a hold of them. I said, oh, look, we will see that what we can do for you. Because they are the match winner player. Still in 2020 cricket, all the international players are the match winner players. even whether it's Indians, whether it's Australian or English. But if our domestic players, they can get runs. They're getting runs, not many runs, but they will learn. I don't think they will be able to win the games. That is a very important part of it, in sports, What the time is very important. If you hit it at the right time, and even in crucial run out, crucial 1 or 2 wickets, crucial 20, 30 runs, that is more important. That's where the experience comes. That's why most of the international players are better. And domestic cricketers, ठीक है, पैसे मिल रहे हैं, okay, getting money, that's 20, 30 is happy, they are happy, that's it. But they have to learn how to win the games, situation, read the situation, then win the game for the team. Then I say, okay, right, they are good players. Delhi will never have a loyal fans, because it's all VIP cultures. It's a whole VIP culture here. They will never have a fan.
As in VIP.
Tomorrow, if someone else is doing, they will be fan of that team, So because there is a lot of VIP moment here. So lot of I'm sure it's the most difficult to organize the match in Delhi. Because everybody need passes. Then we don't have any culture to buy the tickets. That is sad. If you were really fan, you buy the tickets. Why you want them complimentary? There is another thing which I thought about it, because if you start winning, then it might change. Then they follow you. At the moment, you are not doing well for the last 3-4 seasons. They have hired all the best coaches in the world, everything, 8 to 10 coaches are every team is traveling, I don't know why. But now, if they start winning, they might change, they might get a lot of loyalty. Otherwise, they keep on dipping it, It doesn't matter. They would like to see Gautam Gambhir, they like to see Virender Sehwag, a few other players, those who played for Delhi. They like to see that. Why not?
Right now, the current.
No, that's why I said that they have chopped a lot of players, Virender Sehwag, okay, right, take example of Virender Sehwag. Say 14 games. If Virender Sehwag wins the 4-5 games for me, he is a good player for me. I take it as an average, 4-5 games, I'm sure he is capable of winning 4-5 games. He is not going to win the 14 games, altogether. That's what it is. What's happening in 2020 cricket is, we are hyping player like this, Oh, such a great, player, the people are comparing with the greatest Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar, all these people, young kings comes, this year also I'm hearing a lot of things, a lot of players, 1 year you done a good job as a coach. Second year you were nowhere near. You made him the Indian coach. What is nonsense, I can't believe it.